Yeah, hello, my viewers. I am experiencing some challenge on my backyard farm. This is Halloween farms. Yeah, I hope you can hear the noise that the Guinea fowl is making. These days, they keep making this noise. They just keep making this noise. The noise can become very, very loud and rowdy. So I am beginning to worry or to become worried. What is actually wrong with them? Yes, so please share your experience with me in the comment section. If it is a normal sound that they are doing, if it is a normal sound that they are doing, or if there is something that I should do to reduce the noise, or if they are sick. If it is that they are sick, please tell me in the comment section what I should do. This is what I am experiencing these days. This is what I'm experiencing. And the noise can be very, very rowdy. The noise can be very, very rowdy. Now that they see that I'm doing a video, I think they have relaxed a little bit. They have relaxed a little bit. But the noise, you can hear it, it's still coming. Please tell me in the comment section what's the meaning of that noise. What that noise means. And if there is any way that I can control the noise, tell me. Actually they said if you raise them with a chicken, or you mix them with a chicken or fowls, they will not make noise. Yes, I did say. You can see that they are not alone. Yes, you see, I mix them with a chicken or fowls to reduce so that they will not make a lot of noise. But at the end of the day, the noise that they are producing is unbearable. So please tell me if you have experienced this on your farm before. If this has happened on your farm before, tell me your experience, what I should do, how I should control it. Yes, this is Halloween farms. These are my Guinea fowls. They have, yeah, you can hear the noise. You can hear the noise. Tell me, is it normal? Is it a normal sound? Is it normal? Or there is something I should do? Or there is something I should do? Yeah. There's something. Yeah. You can still hear the noise. Yeah, they are making the noise. That is the noise they are making. Yes, 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 yes. Like I said, I didn't raise them alone. I raised them with a chicken. Yeah, you can see. But still, the noise, these days they are making a lot of noise. What should I do? Is it normal? Are they going to stop, or it will continue like this? Thank you. Advise me in the comment section. Advise me in the comment section. Tell me something in the comment section. Let me know what is going on. Thank you.